Hey everyone, today we'll open the Lenovo LOQ 17 Gen 10. For full benchmarks, display tests, thermals, and battery results, visit laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's dive in. We start by undoing 10 screws that secure the bottom cover. We're using a Japanese industrial standard number 1 screwdriver. The first 4 screws are M2 with a thread length of 4.5 millimeters. On reassembly, tighten to about 1.85 kg/cm. The remaining 6 are M2 by 8.5 millimeters. Tighten them to the same torque, 1.85 kg/cm. With a thin plastic tool, we pop the perimeter clips and lift the bottom panel. Done, the internals are exposed. First, we'll deal with the battery. There are 6 screws to remove. After unplugging the battery connector, the system is safe to work on. We'll be able to safely take out the drive from slot 1. And here is the second M.2 2880 slot for storage expansion. Then we'll remove the memory. There are 2 DDR5 slots for dual channel. And here is the 2x2 Wi-Fi 6 M.2 card with Bluetooth 5.2, held by 1 screw with 2 antenna leads labeled main and aux. The cooling uses heat pipes, no vapor chamber here, and 2 active fans. You can see our thermal tests in the full review. Back to the battery. The 6 battery screws are M2 with 4mm threads. The pack is a lithium polymer, model L24, B4PK4. Rated at 12.92 volts and 60 watt-hours, and it supports Rapid Charge Pro, up to 50% in 30 minutes. Check our battery life results on laptopmedia.com. Of course, don't forget to also visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Now we undo the SSD retention screw. Our unit comes with a Western Digital PCSN 7100S, 1TB Gen 4 drive. Now we peel the metallized tape from the memory shield. Its job is electrostatic and straight current control, creating a solid ground path between the shield, the chassis, and nearby metal parts. Lift the spring steel shield from this edge. Remove the memory sticks. This platform accepts DDR5 4800 or 5600 SO-DIMMs. Our unit has two 16 gig sticks, Samsung One RX8 DDR5 5600, for a total of 32 gigs in dual channel. Reinstall the SSD, align the notch, and secure it with the screw. When refitting the shield, center it on the spring steel retention clips. Misalignment can bend them. You'll find our storage speed charts and SSD reliability notes in the full review on laptopmedia.com. Check alignment on all sides before pressing the shield down. Do a final check and carefully reapply the metallized tape. That's the inside of the Lenovo LOQ 17IRX10, storage and memory accessible, Wi-Fi card shown, and the dual fan cooling. For detailed thermals, display quality, and battery endurance, plus our build analysis, head to laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more teardowns and upgrades.